You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look today at the pronunciation of the 8 members of Stray Kids in English, how it's usually said in English, and how to say it in Korean. Make sure to stay tuned to learn them all perfectly. The Korean way, even though he's also Australian, is as pang, pang. The B here is pronounced almost like a P. Pang chan. That's Korean pronunciation here. Pang chan. In English, it's often pronounced as just bang chan, but similar. Pang chan. And now you know. We're looking at how to pronounce this name in Korean, and this is also the name of Stray Kids member group, South Korean K-pop music band. Han is how it is pronounced in Korean. Han, Korean pronunciation, Han. Changpen, Changpen. The B is pronounced almost like a P, but not quite in Korean. In English, the pronunciation is generally as Changben, Changben, from Korean, Changpen. Korean pronunciation, Lee No, Lee No. In English, it's usually pronounced more as Lee No. How to pronounce Lee No, English pronunciation, or Korean pronunciation, Lee No. South Korean singer. In English, it's usually said as I-N, as the 2 letters. His full name is Yang Jong-en, but the Korean pronunciation is also I-N. So, simple I-N in English, in Korean, I-N. And now you know how to pronounce Felix in Korean, how it's said in Korea. If you want to learn more Stray Kids member names, stay tuned for more videos for you. Felix is how it's pronounced, how they say it in Korea. In English, it's Felix or Felix. In Korea, Felix. Seungmin, Seungmin. How to pronounce Seungmin in English? The pronunciation would be similar as Seungmin, not Songmen, Seungmin, Seungmin. Pronunciation in Korean, Hyunjin. It's like Hyundai. Well, Hyunjin. Korean, Hyunjin. In English, you can simply say it as Hyunjin, Hyunjin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.